Alright, just a demonstration of the problem with the antenna connector on this repeater unit. As you can see, I've got an assortment of PL259 plugs. This is a standard PL259 bulkhead adapter, and as you can see, long collar, fits in nice, locks in tight, screws all the way down. Medium collar, locks in tight, screws all the way down, doesn't move, solid. And short collar, locks in all the way down, screws all the way down, nice and tight, no problems at all. With this connector, we're going to use different adapters or different connectors here. This is the short connector, and as you can see, I can push the pin in and it's very loose, but when I start screwing the collar down, it only does just a couple of turns. And as you can see, there's a large area of thread at the back here still exposed, and you can actually pull the pin in and out, so I don't know if that's a good connection or not. Same with the medium collar. You can screw it in, doesn't go all the way down, and the middle just pulls in and out. That is Loctite, so it's like the threads per inch are not synchronized with standard. With the long collar, again, we can screw the collar in just a couple of turns and it locks. And again, have we made a connection or not? I don't think this is safe enough to be able to transmit out of. One adapter that I did find in my collection that did actually screw all the way down, it actually screws to the base, but the stem isn't long enough. It's loose. So again, has that even made a connection? So in most instances with standard PL259 adapters or plugs, it doesn't even make it 2 or 3 turns down the thread. When it does go down the thread, it seems that the thread is too short to fully seat this connector. Also, because the rim is smooth, there are no serrations, it allows the connector to just spin freely. Again, not making a good connection. That's about it.